special find, leaving all the world behind. Airdrop forest.
Hey crypto enthusiasts, if you're looking for an easy way to earn free tokens without any investment or fancy hardware, the Interlink Network Airdrop is perfect for you. Interlink is a human-centric blockchain project powered by AI and Proof of Personhood, aiming to bring billions of real users on-chain. They've raised millions in funding and are under the Monad ecosystem, with their ITLG token set for upcoming listings and token generation event. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started, verify your account, mine tokens, and boost your rewards. Plus, use my referral code 271050 to get an extra 1,000 ITLG points, or a hash power boost right away. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the official website at interlinklabs.ai, or search for Interlink Network on the Google Play Store or App Store. Download and install the app. It's free and secure. For a quick start with my referral bonus, use this link: interlinklabs.ai/referral, ? Ref code equals 271050. This will auto-apply the code later. Once the app is installed, open it and click Get Started or Sign Up. You'll need to create your unique Interlink ID. That's a username between 4 to 12 characters. If you're stuck, tap the dice icon to generate one randomly. Then, set a secure 6-digit passcode for your account. For sign-up, you have options. Use facial recognition for quick setup, or link your Gmail or Telegram account. I recommend starting with email or Telegram for simplicity, but facial scan is required later for verification. To activate your human hash power, HHP, and become a verified human node, go to your profile settings and complete the facial verification. This is a quick scan using your phone's camera. Just follow the on-screen prompts to prove you're a real person. This step is crucial because Interlink uses AI to prevent bots and ensure fair mining. Once verified, you'll unlock daily mining rewards and strengthen the network. Now, to boost your mining power, enter a referral code. Use mine, 271050. This gives you an instant bonus, like plus 0.5 HHP or 1,000 ITLG points, depending on current promotions. Head to the Settings or Referral section, paste the code, and confirm. Next, link your crypto wallet. Supports popular ones like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. This is where your earned tokens will be allocated during the airdrop or token generation event. Go to Settings, select Connect Wallet, and follow the prompts. You're all set. Tap the mining button in the app. It's usually a big Mine Now or lightning bolt icon. You can mine every 4 hours for free, earning ITLG tokens based on your HHP. The more you mine and invite friends, the higher your rewards. Interlink converts your everyday web activities into Web3 value, so keep the app active. Pro tip: join their mini apps, games, or chat features to earn extra points and climb the leaderboard. To ensure you're eligible for the full airdrop, maintain regular mining sessions and complete any guild tasks if announced, like on their Discord or Telegram. The ITLG TGE is confirmed, with potential listings soon. Rumors point to exchanges like BitGet or others. Allocation includes mining rewards, referrals, and community contributions. Check your profile for progress and join their official channels for updates: Telegram, Discord, or X, Twitter, at @Interlink Network. That's it, you're now mining on Interlink Network. If you follow these steps with referral code 271050, you'll maximize your free crypto earnings. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more airdrop guides, and comment below if you have questions. Remember, crypto involves risks, so do your own research. Thanks for watching. Happy mining!